Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking for three potential altcoins to buy right now. As we're looking at the market is currently up about 3.77% here in the past 24 hours, looking a little bit nicer compared to where we were just a few days ago. So obviously here we see Bitcoin trading at around 39,000, Ethereum's around 2,700, Bitcoin's up 3.5%, Ethereum up about 5%, volume is rising up slowly as well. 24.1 billion on Bitcoin, 14.3 billion on Ethereum. We see altcoins are starting to move as well, which is always a good sign. Binance Coin up 4%, Ripple's up 4%, Cardano about 7%. We see Solana up over 8.5%. Terra right here and Avalanche have been, on a rip here, over 12% and 13%. And then obviously down here we have a few more that are in the 5 to 10% range as well. So altcoins are definitely starting to move now. And one thing we always talk about is as the large cap coins move, these mid cap and low cap coins tend to move even higher. So if Bitcoin's up, 3%, altcoins are usually up 5, 10, 15% depending on which type of coin we're looking at. And obviously if it's a mid cap, small cap, or even a large cap coin. So it's always an opportunity out there. You just have to look to see which coin is making the move at the certain time. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me if you enjoy this type of content. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So first of all, the crypto bubbles here, we're still looking red, but I believe if we have another day or two of green, we could make a turnaround here. But in the past 7 days, obviously, overall, we are in the red. We see only like 2 or 3 green coins here, which is going to be API 3, which is up 59%. We see ANKR Protocol up about 33%, and then another one here, Kamado, up about 14%, and last but not least, Bread, which is up about 21%. Everything else seems to be in the red right now. We're seeing a lot of downtrends in the market, so the opportunities are here. You just have to figure out which one actually fits your criteria. I mean, we see one of the biggest losers here, Gala, down about 25.5%, Sandbox down 22% or so. We see many other, coins that are down as well. So guys, let's get into this list. So first of all, the first altcoin on this list is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. Matic is currently up about 10% here in the past 24 hours. After all the negative news, we started to make a little bit of a turnaround, trading at $1.58 currently. Past week, we're down 11%. Past month, we're actually flat. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is still up over 1,131%. So this coin was trading at around 13 cents last year. And here in February, as we can see, it started to go up higher and higher here, all the way up to highs of about $2.50 or so in May. Pulled back down, obviously, to about 69 cents, then continued to rise on higher and higher here, all the way to highs of over almost $3 at one point in December, before making a pullback here of over 50%. So we've dropped about 50% from those highs now, and hitting previous support levels down here that we hit in September at around the $1 range. So that's our support level that we do not want to go under, obviously, but as long as we stay around that range, we should be fine for now. Currently 11.9 billion market cap. Volume is down a little bit by 16% at 1.4 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 75 days. We have 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity, and it's currently ranked at number 12 coin on the list. Now Polygon, familiarly called Matic Network. Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on the Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that are run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens on a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay for transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So this is definitely one of those, alternative greener coins that we were looking at before last year in 2021, and definitely a coin that I believe in the future will continue to rise as more people continue to transition into environmentally friendly, mining type situation like Polygon. So Matic, definitely a coin we'll be looking at in the future, as it is only at 11 billion market cap and has plenty of room to grow for the years to come. So that's going to be our number one altcoin. Coming in at number 2, it's going to be Stellar Lumens, XLM. XLM, we haven't talked about this one in a long time, but here in the 1 day chart, we're up about almost 4%, trading at 19 cents. Past week, we're down 10%. Past month, we're down 2%, with highs at one point here at around 26 cents. On the 1 year chart, we're actually down 50%, but that's because the coin just did amazing, in the past year or so, in the beginning of the year. So it was trading at 39 cents, went up to highs of over 80 cents at one point here in May, pulled back down with the market to about lows of 20 cents or so, and that's exactly where we're at right now. If we push any lower than this, we could, have a little bit of a free fall, because The next support is going to be, way lower down here around 7 or 8 cents. So we do not want to go, down there into that range, I guess. So currently 4.8 billion market cap. Volume is down 30% at 293 million. We have 32-day typical hold time. It is ranked the number 23 coin in the ranking. 58% buy activity, 42% sell activity on this one. Stellar's cryptocurrencies, the Stellar Lumens, powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect the world's finance system, enabling businesses and developers to take advantage of the network's fast speeds, low transaction costs, and interoperability. Now, obviously, can you mine or stake XLM? Well, unlike many popular cryptocurrencies, XLM cannot be mined or staked to receive rewards and increase this asset supply. While Stellar works like technologies like Bitcoin, its key distinguishing feature is its consensus protocol. The present-day Stellar is a result of a 2014 fork that created the Stellar Consensus Protocol (SCP), following which Stellar became an open-source system. Under this protocol, the transaction authentication process is confident to a select set of confined to a select set of trustworthy nodes that rather than being left open to the whole network of nodes. So instead of being, mined by proof of work, Stellar is secured by a unique blockchain mechanism called the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. So that is actually the one downside to Stellar, is because you cannot stake it or mine it. That's the only thing, in my opinion, that holds it back compared to some of these other altcoins, because other people are not going to be as interested because of the situation. But it's still always opportunities for this coin in the future as well for growth. So still a nice coin to be adding to your radar, guys. Then we have, last but not least, number 3, ADA, also known as Cardano. Cardano is up about 7% here in the past 24 hours. It's trading at 94 cents. We're finally seeing a little bit of life here, down about 12% the past week, past month down 14.5%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're down about 2%. So we were trading at around 95 cents last year, hit a first high of 230, pulled back down to under $1, came back up to over $3 here. And then since September, we're down about 65% or so from that high to the low right now. And it looks like we might be continuing to go even lower if the market continues to pull back. I would not be surprised to see Cardano trading at even a lower price range, because we just broke through that support level that we had. The next, level that we can see, it's going to be very low, somewhere around like 50 cents or so. So this one could go even further now. If it continues, it's going to be like a falling knife. So it could be an opportunity for the future to look at as it continues to pull back lower. Currently, 31.4 billion market cap. Volume is down 43% at 1.4 billion. Typical hold time, 97 days. It is ranked the number 5 coin. 80% buy, 20% sell activity. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Development or Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. The blockchain's native token, obviously, is named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace. So definitely an interesting coin here to be looking at. So guys, those were the 3 altcoins we're looking at. Let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. So like we said, first of all, Dogecoin. Let's take a look at Doge. So Doge is up about 4%, but still trading at 13 cents. I feel like this coin just continues to pummel down lower and lower and trades at this range. I would not be surprised to see Dogecoin trading under 10 cents in the next few months, obviously, as things continue to pull back down possibly. We have Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is up about 3.5%. The past 24 hours trading nicely at 39,000. Past week, we're down 10% actually, with those lows down there at around 36,000. On the past month right here, we're up 10% with that peak of about 46,000. And on the one-year chart, we're down about 20% right now. We've just been trading sideways here ever since that January low that we saw at the end of January. So we've been, trading in this range. It's going to be kind of like a bounce back and forth type situation. We're going to be waiting to see once we see that uptrend and hopefully break through that 45 to 46,000 area before, we start to get, real bullish on it. Right now, as you can see, 739.6 billion market cap, 34% of crypto market space. Volume is down 24% at around 24.5 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 100 days. 73% buy activity, 27% sell activity currently on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin showing some life there as well. We have Ethereum, which is currently up about 5%, trading at around 2,700. In the past week, we're down 10%. Past month, we're up 12% or so, with the highs at around 3,200. And then on the one-year chart, we're up about 73% here. So this coin is trading nicely, obviously bouncing back between that 2,100 range and then the $3,000 range. And we're waiting for that uptrend. So we're seeing currently that, the market cap is going to be at around 327 billion. Volume is down 33% at 13.8 billion. Typical hold time, 77 days. 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity on Ethereum. hopefully we'll see a little bit of a bounce back here, and hopefully this does not start to, downtrend once again if we get some more negative news in the world. So it's going to be very interesting to see how cryptocurrencies react in the next few weeks, obviously, and into next month when we see, interest rates rise and different things like that, guys. So let me know your comments in below. Let me know your thoughts, obviously. Let me know what you guys think. As always, smash that like button if you enjoyed this type of content. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.